So just so you guys know, I got to team up with Elevate Life and Identify.Impact, and I got to do a vlog. So if you haven't go check that out, please go down below to the link. And also I did a blog with them also, so that's going to be on their YouTube channel, so I'll link that down below. I don't know exactly when it's going out, sometime this week, so I'll definitely keep you guys posted on that. So when it goes up, I will make sure I link that down below. And yeah, so I'm really excited about that. Please make sure you go comment over there saying hey and that you were sent from my channel, and go subscribe to their channels from awesome new videos from there. Hey guys, so I'm back in my room. I figured that vlogging is something that you guys like me doing more. Maybe it's just because I'm just talking to a camera or making fun of myself, which is totally fine. If you watched my last vlog, I did a little update on my computer. Just tell you with high-pitched voice, I can't. So I put on my A21 sticker. I love it a lot. So cool. It's so cute. I love it. And then I put these stickers, emoji stickers on that I had for like forever. The reason why I put them on is because this one comes from my favorite vow verse, which I'll probably put at the end of this video. And then this one is because I travel like a lot and it's just pretty perfect for my computer. And then pineapple, because pineapples are awesome, that's why. I really want to get like a tiki sticker or like a aloha sticker or like a good surfboard kind of sticker, maybe with another company. I'll show you my other stickers because my skateboard has like these awesome stickers too. A skateboard, because my skateboard has a lot of other stickers on it too, and I think after this video you'll understand my obsession with stickers. I love them. I like them so much. When I was little, I had this book that I still have, and I think I'm gonna throw it out because it's pretty ridiculous. Actually, I put it in my memory box, and it has just stickers. I was like, I have to save them all. I was like obsessed with them, and now I just really like them because I can put them on a computer, and I have like a bunch of stickers on my phone. And then like my skateboard is like literally full, and I'm going to continue to fill it because I love the sticker. Let's just think, all these stickers you can get, like you can get like really cool ones for like across like the country or something, or you can get it like around the world, or you can just get like little stickers that you find like in my sister that's really cool. I don't know, I just really like stickers. So if you ever like meet me or like want to know what to get me, you can get me like a really cool sticker, and I would definitely put it on my skateboard or my computer or my phone. I mean, yeah. So that's it. That's my obsession with stickers. So yeah, let me just show you my phone real quick. Okay, so I did this yesterday. This is my phone. I love these stickers. These are emoji stickers, and you can get emoji stickers like pretty much anywhere, I think. Anyways, I got actually these stickers from Urban Outfitters, but I paid a ridiculous amount of money for stickers, for emoji stickers, and this is what I got. I got these, and they're so cute. Just totally matches the vibe, you know what I'm saying? Comment down below if you think I should do a room tour, because I have like so many little tips and tricks about like just room in general, because like I'm obsessed with organizing. And if you want to do that, like just comment down below. So I'm going to show you some books. This is literally like surf vibe video. I'm showing you just like kind of like my surf vibe. I'm not a professional surfer whatsoever, but I literally tell everyone that my heart was left in San Francisco because of like California. I love Utah, I love Arizona. Nevada is just really hot, but so is Utah and Arizona. But yeah, I just really love like that side of the US so much. And so yeah, like if you really know like me and my family really personally, then you would either think that we're lying to you and we're from California, or you would just know that we're crazy obsessed with California, because it literally has everything from trails to the water, obviously, to surfing, to just the people there that are just so nice. And obviously Bethel's there, so Bethel is like the best. Bethel music, that's what I'm talking about. So anyways, let's just get on with the video. So to those really crazy people who are like me and they like to cover their things with stickers as if they're bored in their laptops, you may think this is not a lot of stickers, but to those people who don't understand us, I'm sorry, yes, it's a lot of stickers. Obviously, this my mom got me from a board shop, which was really cool. I don't remember if she got this from California or Florida. This one is another surf shop that my mom got for me. Obviously she knows me so well, so she got me this sticker. Then this is from Rip Curl, from the wetsuits that we got, not like actually like pretty recently. And these are two emoji stickers, and this is a sticker that I had since forever. I got it when I was 12 and I thought it was just like really cool, so I was like, let me get this. And then as I got older, I really started to understand what that sticker really meant. I don't know why I have it on there, but I still think it's cool. So these are the van stickers. There's one here, and then there's one here. And then there's the beach hottie one again. Obviously, same thing, same story, so we don't have to get into that. And then here, my brother actually got me this board for my birthday, and that's what he wrote. And yeah. I wanted to show you guys an unboxing. I'm really excited because we're going on this really awesome trip. And obviously I'm going to take you guys with me, but I had to get clothes for the trip, because when you see the trip and you'll kind of understand that we need a little accessory when we go on this trip. First thing I got, so obviously I opened this and I was like, I have to do an unboxing, I haven't done one like forever. So the first shirt I got, this is actually not a shirt, it's a skirt. It's this skirt. It's like super cute. It's like, it's navy blue and gray stripes. So cute. It has, so that's that. Next, a shirt. This is actually a shirt, it's not a skirt. This is a shirt I got. It's like, I never wore this color before, and I realized I pick a lot of gray and navy blue stuff, so I tried so hard to find a shirt that wasn't navy blue or gray. So the cool thing about this shirt is it has like a really cool zipper on right here. And what I love about this stuff is that this is the first time I've ever, what I really am excited about this is the first time I've ever shopped here before. So this is like, I get to try out these clothes on the trip. So I've never tried this store whatsoever, and it's a pretty cool store, so I'll link it down below so you can check it out as well. It's really cute. This is navy blue. Here is a nice top, because I know on the trip we're gonna be like looking nice all the time, you know what I'm saying? So we got this top. I got this top. It's so cute. It's like kind of like denim, you know what I'm saying? You get those denim vibes, you know what I'm saying? Awesome. Next is a skirt, another skirt, because I can't get enough of skirts, because as much as I love my leggings and my Lululemon pants, I love my skirts. So it's the same thing as another skirt. This. It's another skirt and it's gray. Oh my gosh. So it's super cute. Let me tell you about these pants. Okay, first of all, I was like, let me just look at the pants. Let me look. I'm not gonna get any. Obviously I did. Let me just look. So I looked and I was like, let me just look. So I looked and I saw these pants. Yeah, no, I'm getting them. So the cute thing about it is that they like do a little, you know, a little that on the end to make it like really cute. I totally just wrecked it, whatever. It's like so cute, so comfortable. I got a hammock. And it has a holder. Oh my gosh, no way. It has. Oh my gosh, what was that? Okay, so it's a hammock. What? This is the company where I got all the clothes from. So cute, I know. So it's like, it's a baby. So it's a hammock, and I'm freaking out because it has a cup holder, so I'm like really happy. I have no idea where I'm gonna hang this. I have no idea why I bought this, but I thought it was cool, and I was like, look, it's half off, I'm getting it. Next, right before this vlog comes right to an end, this vlog has only been in my room, so that's pretty interesting. So I'm going to show you 2 books that, if you're thinking of becoming like a surfer, or you kind of want to know like the beginner feeling of it, or maybe you want that kind of surfer body. I definitely don't have that right now. I'm going to show you 2 books that really helped me have a better perspective on surfing and kind of like understanding like how like if you were to take this professionally, or you want to take this like just for fun, you kind of like know the basics and you kind of know the rules. So this is a book for girls, and then the other book is a healthy get into fit understanding just how to get that like surfer awesome surfer body, you know. This is the first book, The Girl's Guide to Surfing, Surfs Up. This book has literally changed my perspective on surfing. Oh yeah, so as you can see, I've highlighted a lot of stuff to remember things. This is an awesome book. This is an awesome book. This really goes chapter by chapter to really understanding what surfing's all about, the history of it, things you have to know like about a wetsuit, what kind of wetsuit should you get for yourself, what kind of bikini should you get for surfing, certain things like that. It is so helpful, and also it helps you with the safety of the water, and I really love this book, and I definitely recommend it for a girl who wants to learn how to. I went up to my dad one day and I was like 11 and a half, and I was like, Dad, I really want to surf. And he was like, okay, you know, he was taking it a little jokingly, honestly. And then I was like, Dad, I really want to get a surfboard. And he was like, okay. So he looked up this book, and he was like, I want you to read this. If you read this whole book, I'll get you a surfboard. Having an understanding of like something that you're getting yourself into, and kind of getting the answers to the test really like helped me build my confidence also in the water, like just in general, because Bethany Hamilton, I love body and soul. Yes. So this book, I was actually reading a little bit of it. I actually haven't finished it yet, but I'm going to continue to do that because yes. So this book really helps with health and fitness. It kind of, it's not just, okay, this is what you have to do, here are the rules. It kind of breaks it down because they're like, okay, here, we need to build the confidence of yourself first, you know, and she kind of like goes over the things of, okay, so this is what this is what you want now, this is what does God want, you know. And like, I'm not doing this for someone else, I'm not doing this for a magazine, I'm not doing this for a cute picture. Like, I'm doing this for myself, and I'm going to look beautiful doing it. And it just like, it really is awesome, and I really recommend doing it. So my camera just died. Woo! First time. So I was just saying how both these books go on Amazon, so you should definitely check that. That's it. I hope you guys liked this week's video. Please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below if you follow me on all my social medias. Please come back every Sunday for a new video every Sunday. Please know that every 50 subscribers I will do a dare, so comment down below what dare I should do. And I've been getting a lot of like really weird, interesting dares to do, so I really want to check them out. But I haven't reached my 50 yet, so please help me out with that. And yeah, that's it. So keep on loving, keep on shining.